Shalom and good morning. How are you? Hope everyone's doing well. I'm over here at Adler's Hardware. Been here for 101 years. And we're going to do a little video of showing you how easy it could be to make a sukkah and how cheap it could be to make a sukkah. We're over here and we have some pallets that are always extras over here at Adler's. And we're going to zip tie them together to make our walls and zip tie them together strongly and put some covering on top, some bamboo shoots on top, and we'll have a kosher sukkah. So feel free to watch and see how simple it can be. We're going to just start off with some heavy duty zip ties. I got these on Amazon, but obviously you can get them at Adler's Hardware and use these to put your sukkah together. So watch me as we do this. I've taken pallets that are just about the same size and mashed them up with each other so that I'll be able to zip tie them together nice and strong, and then I'll stand them up and be able to go ahead and attach them to each other. So we're going to use 2 pallets per wall. That'll be just about almost 8 feet tall, and that's way taller than you need to make a kosher sukkah. Are all connected. Our pallets are connected, zip tied tight. We'll actually tighten them after we put them up on top. As we stand them up, we'll tighten them to make them stronger, and then we'll zip tie them to each other. Here we go. I'm actually going to go ahead and zip tie the back of them also to make them a little bit stronger. Obviously, once we zip tie them together, they'll be even stronger and ready to rock and roll. Now we're going to go ahead and put together our last one over here. And this way we'll be able to then go ahead and zip tie them together to build the actual sukkah. And that would work also. So zip ties are kind of easy. And over the years, you make it stronger or weaker, however you'd like it. Now we've got ourselves 3 walls. And we're going to go ahead and zip tie these 3 structures together. So we have our 3 walls of our sukkah. This will be able to stand by itself, but obviously we don't have to worry about it falling on us while we're in there. So there's lots of things you can do to tighten it up, make it stronger. I'll attach it in 3 main spots, and then it'll be pretty strong. Now it's still rocking over here. We got it going. I'm going to go ahead and use a chair to get a little higher, but right now it's pretty strong. Okay, so now we've got ourselves 3 walls, which is more than the obligation for a sukkah, as it's supposed to be a temporary dwelling, right? And you can fit a chair in there, you can fit a little table in there, and now we're just going to go ahead and put our little bamboo slats on top. Anything that grows on the ground that's no longer attached to the ground can be used for your schach cover. So I happen to have some bamboo, and we're going to use that. I got this bamboo from my neighbor's backyard. Cut it up, let it dry a little bit, and hopefully they're long enough. If not, we have some longer pieces to put along the long way. So here we are, just about there. I would actually like to bring a little extra schach to go ahead and cover the top. It's not perfect, but we'll make it a little better. One last recommendation would actually be to go ahead and put 1 piece of wood that you'd screw in here across the top over here. That would make it a little bit stronger. But here, obviously, it's not the prettiest sukkah ever. That's why you have to decorate it and make it look pretty. And now you can see, so basically with the count of 2, 4, 6, 12, 22 zip ties, and 21 zip ties, and 2 screws. You have an entire kosher sukkah. You can obviously tweak it in many ways. You could bolt them together to make it stronger. You can use different things for the schach, for the covering. Throw some branches on top to cover up some of the empty spots because you want to have more sun. Make sure you have more shade than sun in there. But it's kosher. It's a kosher sukkah, full-fledged kosher sukkah, about 7 feet tall. And there you got it. I could eat my meals in there. I could shake my lulav in there, and we're all set for the holiday. You have it. You have a kosher sukkah. Probably take about 20 minutes to a half hour or so to put together. And there you have it. So thank you so much to Mr. Adler's, to Adler's Hardware, for helping us out, letting us show everybody how to make an awesome sukkah.
Okay.
And I look forward to a beautiful holiday together.
All right, and that's it for
Let's
now.
be in touch if you'd like to try to put one of these together yourself. And looking forward. All the best. Have a great one.